Good morning, students. Our today's topic is features of planning. Planning की विशेषताएं. In the last chapter, we have discussed about definition of planning and its importance. Now let us see what are its features. First, planning focuses on achieving objectives. This is the key word in this feature. Why we plan? We want to achieve some objectives due to which we plan the things, we plan the activities. What we want to achieve? In case of company, there can be social objective, personal objective, organizational objective, economic objective. Which objective we want to achieve by means of planning? Keeping that objective in mind, we plan the activities. Means the end result is to achieve this one. Second, planning is a primary function of management. Primary function of management. As we know, there are 5 total functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So the primary function among these 5 functions is planning. It is the base of other functions. First of all, planning will come, and after then all 4 functions will follow. This is the second features of planning. Third, planning is pervasive, means it is required at every level of management, whether it is top level or middle level or lower level, and each department. In each department, planning is required top level, middle level, and lower level. At all these 3 levels, planning is required. And in each department means production, marketing, finance, HR. Whatever the department may be, whatever the level may be, it is required everywhere. This is the third feature. Fourth, planning involves decision making. As we have read up in the importance of planning as well, planning involves decision making. First of all, we will collect what are the various alternative courses of action, and out of those alternatives we will select the best one. We have to decide. That's why here it is written, planning involves decision making. Next, planning is continuous. प्लानिंग एक लगातार चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है. It will continuous. Every plan is made for either you can say 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or for an year or 5-year plan we can say. After completion of that time period, another plan will come. But planning is a continuous process. You can't say that कि आपने एक बार प्लान बनाया उसके बाद आपको प्लानिंग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. हर प्लान के बाद दूसरा प्लान उसको फॉलो करेगा ही करेगा. That's why planning is a continuous process. Sixth, planning is futuristic. It looks towards future. Planning looks towards future, means it will not look towards past, because we want to reduce our uncertainty. That's why we predict the future. We will forecast about the future by studying the business environment, and then that's why we have written planning is futuristic. Why? Objectives will be achieved in future. That's why planning is futuristic. Planning is aimed to achieve objectives in future. And the last, planning is a mental exercise. It is a mental exercise. Planning is not a physical exercise. It is a mental exercise. Because it is a mental exercise, that's why decision making is there. Decision is taken by the mind, not by the body. That's why planning is a mental exercise. So these are the 7 features of planning. With this, today's topic is over. Till then, goodbye.